Hey guys, what's up? So this video is going to be the install of the headlights on the Tide car. The whole thing went off pretty much without a hitch. Had to cut some things, obviously. Had to improvise a little bit here and there. But other than that, I think the whole thing went really smoothly. Not going to be a real long intro. I'll just show you how I did it. Now, the headlights, these are going to be sort of tough. Because I was thinking on the front of the car, I certainly don't want to cut all this out and try to put, you know, normal Ford Thunderbird headlights in there, because it's just not going to look right to me. I don't want the car to look like a a normal road car. I want it to look like a race car. So this is the grate that goes in to the radiator back there, but up here, that's all fiberglass back there. So now this thing actually fits pretty much perfectly right into that area. So I'm gonna go behind this grate right here, and I'm gonna cut all of that fiberglass out right there. I think the easiest way to get up into there, because this is almost completely falling off already, the easiest way is gonna be to drill out that rivet, and these two rivets up here, and then this whole panel should come down, and then I should have super easy access to up there to be able to cut this fiberglass out from behind there and get access to that bar that's right there so that I can mount the lights to it. Try a little brute force. See if that works. Wow. That was a lot easier than I thought it would be. And what's up here is this right here and this right here. So I should be able to cut these out, and then I'll have just those grates up there, and I can hook the lights. I can attach the lights up to this bar right here and right there. And because this bar's flat, they'll project straight. And so I think it'll work out perfect. We'll just have to wait and see. Okay, I got this light wired in here, which, by the way, man, this thing is a perfect fit for that spot right there. It's absolutely perfect. Fits exactly in there, which is just so crazy. But anyway, I've got this wired up just for a second just to test it out. So, goes up here. I decided to go around and under that so that I can zip tie it up, because this sheet metal is pretty sharp. I don't want it to cut anything, but anyway, it goes all the way back to the switch here, and yeah, there it is on. So it seems to be working okay. Cutting fiberglass with a Dremel, probably a terrible idea, but safety first. Oh man, I don't make them like I used to. Oh, let's see here. Whew. Man, that was not easy to cut out of there. Yeah, that looks all right. Not pro, but it's good enough for me. Especially since this, you're not gonna see this in here. Now I got one more side to do, and then we can maybe start trying to mount the lights. Okay, so I've run into a bit of an issue. Got this cut out, got these ready to be mounted, and this tab will not go past this. So I'm gonna have to bend this out a little bit and to get it to sit completely exactly where it's supposed to go. Now the other issue is that I don't have what I need to tap into this bar right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some probably like rubber pads or something and put them behind this, and then take some worm clamps and use the worm clamps to clamp it here, and with the rubber pads hopefully it won't rotate. And then I don't know how I'm going to get to this other side over here to adjust this to change the beams. I don't know how I'm going to do that, so I might just have to do it by moving the worm clamp. But either way, I mean, I could either notch this, but I really don't want to notch this. I'm going to have to bend it back at least a little bit so that I can fit that tab in there. But good news is once that's in there, I mean, it looks like it's going to be a really, really good fit. So I'm pretty excited. I just got to get the worm clamps to put it all together. Okay, so I went to the hardware store and I got a couple of these couplers. And what I'm thinking of doing is, in order to attach the light to the bar down there, I could just cut the coupler right here and have essentially these worm clamps with the rubber inside. That way I can mount these to the bar in there and not have to worry about it vibrating like crazy all over the place. I mean, it should dampen the vibration a little bit, and hopefully it'll make it harder for it to slip out of adjustment, and then I won't have to drill that pipe down there. Tide car now has headlights. I think they came out pretty good. Oh man, I dig it. Man, I'm stoked on that. I think those came out great. Really great. And that's it for the headlights. I think it turned out really good. I've already done all the lights on the car, but I wanted to split it up into 3 videos, because if I'd have done it all in one video, it'd probably be like 40 minutes long or something like that, and I didn't want to put you guys through that. So in the next video, I think we're going to be doing the turn signals and the stop lights, brake switch, all that stuff. So with that, if you guys enjoy my videos, please subscribe, and until next time, take it easy, and I'll see you then.